guys, it's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shava.
And we are back with another BB Gang video. Oh, BB Gang.
Another BB Gang.
BB Gang. You want to tell them?
What we're making?
No, well, before we go into what we're making, guys.
Okay, yeah.
You want to tell them what the BB, whatever?
BB Gang?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, we've been brainstorming on names we will call y'all, so we're going to be like, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Shava. So we were thinking BB Gang. And BB stands for Bro and Bennett. Because our last name, you know, it's our last name, so it's like BB Gang, or JS Gang, or da-da-da.
And then I came up with mine. Mine was what was it? JS4E.
Yeah, JS4E.
Meaning Javon Shopping Forever. You know what I'm saying? But she didn't too like it, so.
I don't know, it's just the JS4E part. I mean, it sounds cool, but it's like the JS4E. I'm used to saying JS4, I'm used to saying 4L. So it's kind of weird saying 4E, but y'all let us know what y'all think about those names, or if y'all have any like names in mind that y'all would like for us to call y'all. Let us know in the comment section down below.
Yeah, guys, let us know. Give us some ideas, guys. We've been thinking about it, so give us some ideas in the comment down below. We're really, it's a slight chance we might go with BB Gang or BB Squad or something like that. So comment down below. Let us know, guys. So without further ado, what are we doing today?
We're gonna be making some Boudin balls.
White on the ball. Yeah, guys. So we're gonna be making some Boudin. The first time I tried Boudin was not bad at all. So I was like, man, this is good.
He actually liked this.
I actually like it. You know what I'm saying?
He was skeptic on trying it because of the way it looked, and I told him the backstory on it and how it's made and everything. He's like, nah, I don't know about that, but I was like, babe, just try some. So he just tried the rice and he liked it.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
The way I cook it, I like to make the skin crispy so you can eat the skin as well. I don't know, it's just
So guys, today basically, that's the vlog for today. You know what I'm saying? Today is what? Monday. We didn't post a vlog yesterday. So today is Monday. This vlog is going up for tomorrow.
Yep.
And then tomorrow we're going to another, wait, what day are tomorrow?
Tomorrow I open.
Okay, so tomorrow we're going to make another vlog. And that vlog go up on Wednesday. And Wednesday,
I close.
she closed, so we don't know if we're going to make a video for Wednesday. So
we're going to make some type of video, but it ain't going to be
a guys, so stay tuned for that. So, yeah, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. Ooh, I got it for the first time.
Yeah, baby.
Hey. Ooh.
How you do that? Like, I'm actually snapping. Okay, never mind.
Alright, guys. So, without further ado, guys, we're going to jump into this video. Journey with us. You know what I'm saying? You dig?
Alright, guys. So, I'm going to be showing you how we make the Boudin balls. So,
she gonna show them how she make it, cause I don't know how to make it.
He gonna make some too. But I mean, it's real easy. It's real easy. So you just.
Wait, you turn the pot on?
No, it's right here. But I turned it on here, but this is it right here.
Oh.
So we're gonna be using the Louisiana seasoned crispy chicken fry. This right here. Yep. I have 2 bags of those, but I'm gonna see how much I need first. And I have some vegetable oil here. Vegetable oil. Probably gonna use half of that. And then I also have my boudins. I don't know if y'all can see it. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be using this boudin. The boudin that I have, I actually bought from my job. It's the DJ's boudin, something like that. Green
DJ.
Green package, something like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to open each of the boudins. I'm gonna cut the skin off of it. So I'm just gonna cut each boudin, like cut the skin off each boudin. Come on, skin. All right, you'll see how that easily just like opens up like that.
So it's breaking in half.
That's fine. So we're gonna roll it up anyways, and then just roll the skin off. Boom, just like that, guys. So we're gonna use 4 because I don't know how many. We love boudin balls, so.
I love boudin. I don't love boudin balls.
Oh
Why?
my gosh! Well, he likes boudin, so. Alright, and then you just mash it.
Man, she do. Yeah, guys, see that?
Alright, guys. So I put it in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes because this was like freshly cold. Like it was frozen last night, and then we just put it in the refrigerator overnight and stuff, so it was still cold, so it wasn't sticking. But you have to warm it up for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then so it'll be able to like stick like that. Like at first it wasn't even sticking, so if it sticks on the fork like that, that's good. So This is hot. It's not that hot. So just grab it. Yay!
Foreman?
Yes! Yes!
Yes! Yes!
You play too much.
Yes!
You see what I gotta go through, y'all? Roll it up like that. Like a little meatball. Booyah!
Bomba clean. Whoa. You got me a little bigger than.
Yeah. This is just
All
a
right,
test.
we're missing one thing, guys. We're missing the egg.
Eggs. We forgot the eggs. Because to make the batter stick to the what's the name?
Mm-hmm.
So, babe, give me like 3 eggs.
Wait.
Alright, guys. So, babe just pulled out some eggs. So, babe, go ahead. This food here. Go ahead and work your magic with them eggs. Get it. Get it. Okay. Y'all see how he cracked them eggs open? So, you put that in the wrong bowl, but that's okay.
Wait.
He's so silly. He's supposed to put it in that white bowl.
This one,
Oh shoot, he's supposed to put it in that white bowl right over there. It's alright. Now go ahead and whisk it up.
You want anything else in there? No, whisk it up.
Yeah, just whisk it. It's fine like that. This food here. Yeah, what I'm gonna do with him? Y'all come get your mans. Come get your mans. This food here. Really?
And that's all you make your wiki end up eating. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Bang!
Oh Lord. Okay, babe. Now you gotta dry that white bowl out.
I'm a soul man. I'm a soul.
Y'all see what I do with? Y'all see what I do with. All right, guys. He has the eggs whisked. And I'm going to finish making some of these Boudin balls. I'm just gonna grab. Babe, how big you want it?
Alright, guys. So she got about six
Six, yeah.
right now. So guys, we're gonna let you finish with that, and I'll be right
Back.
back. Yeah.
Great.
Guys, when you're watching Black Ops, you know your boy's a huge Black Ops fan, man. One of the best in the game. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my God, this guy's going.
All right, go ahead.
Alrighty, guys. So we're gonna turn. I'm gonna put the pot on the stove. We're gonna turn it on. Then we're gonna put our vegetable oil in it so it can get good and hot. I'm too short for him. Look at this food. You look special. Alright, guys, we're gonna wait and let this start to.
Let it start to bubble up. Bubble up for them. Bubble up. Bubble with that. Bubble.
Put it to 6. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to open
Egg,
this.
chicken fry,
I think I'm just
and
opening.
goat face.
Boy.
So you do it, man.
Right now, I'm just pouring the chicken
Is
fry.
that what?
Does that smell good? I'm just pouring the chicken fry in right now. I don't think I'm gonna use all of it though. I don't think we're gonna need that much. Maybe we should have just bought one.
We're gonna give away. Who want one of these?
He played too good. Yeah, we're gonna give away a Louisiana seasoned fry. Chicken fry. So yeah, we don't need that much, I don't think.
Alright, so guys, waiting for this stove to turn hot. Then we're gonna start chefing it up.
Yep.
Give us another minute. Alright, guys, we're ready to dip and sauce and fry.
Yep, what he said. Alright, so we're gonna dip this one first. Gonna dip it in the egg batter. Ooh, gooey goodness.
Yuck.
Okay, then after there, little drip dry. Then roll it around in this stuff. Can y'all see it?
Put your hand on the side.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, get all that. All that. You didn't put that much in it yet. There you go. Some more.
Pack it on there.
There you go.
That's good now, baby.
What you guys think? Is that good enough? Going in.
All right, guys, about to go.
First
in.
one. It's a bomb. Oh.
Babe, see how you put? I need a fork to move it around.
Yeah, guys. If you guys are new, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. First time making boudin.
Coming along. This one probably gonna come out first. That one.
Guys, what you think how it looks so far? We're doing a good job so far.
Y'all want some boudin balls? Let me know. I got y'all. Let me know. I'll send them to whoever want them.
Ooh.
Y'all see why I be wanting to murder him?
Ooh. Hey, get that thing away from me. Give you guys a rundown what's going on right now. We got 2 that's done. Hold on. All right, guys. It's about right done, right?
Wrapping it up.
Wrapping it up. We about to taste it and see if Babe did a good job or not. If not, then I'm fired her. I'm hiring a new chef.
Alright, guys, I'm not taking my looks legit.
All the oil.
Yeah, that's how we make fried chicken too. Deep fried chicken.
Deep fried chicken.
Wanna drop the eggs in here?
What?
You wanna drop the eggs?
You want to drop this and this
Yeah.
with all this oil? You crazy,
You
girl.
gonna eat it?
Why if I'm eating, but
Boy, if I eat it, but.
trying to look a piece like
Alright,
guys. Alright, guys. This is the final touch. I took a piece right there.
Yeah, he took a bite
I
out
forgot
of
to
it.
record it. Final touch. Ooh, that looks good, huh? You ready?
Alright, guys, I'm about to taste it. So, babe already tasted. Babe, how did it taste to you?
It was good. I like the crunch. I mean, the crust.
Crust. Okay, let me try it now.
You good?
Yeah, good.
You so happy face when she makes something good. Y'all should see her when she mad when she cooks something you don't go as planned. Man,
Y'all be so mad.
This is the meanest bulldog you seen in your life.
Ooh, think about when I try like make it with some other type of boudin rice, like that Cajun boudin rice. That other.
It's not bad.
I think I want to try it with some other kind of rice too. It's good though.
Not bad, guys. You guys want some? Oh, I forgot about you guys.
Yeah, get them
Here.
some, babe. They want some too.
Take a bite. Mmm.
Make sure to beat it and like make it.
That's good, right? Yeah. Don't stop following me.
You always following me. I was gonna say it first.
Yeah,
Y'all
whatever.
see how much we think alike? Alright, guys, so as you can see, Babe likes them because he's just eating them all. But yeah, guys, we're gonna end this video here. We just wanted to show y'all like a few, like a short clip of us making boudin balls because we love boudin and we're always going to buy them. So why not save some money and just make our own? He's so crazy. So now that I know how to make them, I will be making them a lot because I love them and I like to eat them. Babe, yeah. But yeah, guys, so I will be making them a lot. I will be making them with different kind of rice as well, just to get the taste of it. But it turned out pretty well. I thought it was gonna be horrible. Like,
it's not bad. It's good.
Yeah, I like it. Like whenever we started out, like it was falling apart. Like the rice wasn't sticky, and I was about to just throw everything down and just walk out the kitchen and just go lay down. That's what happens when when I'm cooking and it don't come out right. I'll like just stop right in the middle of what I'm doing and just
facts.
Just give up. Like the first meal I was cooking for him, like the gravy wasn't coming out how I was like expecting it and how I was planning it.
When I say she walked out on me, she left that thing, she was walked. Only thing here was a door. Bam. Like, she left me with all this food.
I was mad because it wasn't coming out the way I wanted it to. So, yeah. But yeah, guys, we're gonna end this video right here. We're gonna go eat our boudins. And we're gonna chill.
And this is our vlog for today. Remember we said we're gonna start videoing, or try the video every day for you guys.
Yeah, every day we're gonna try.
Every day we're gonna try at least 10 minutes, 5 minutes.
All you can do is try at the end of the day. All you can do is try. As long as you try it.
As long as you put in the work.
As long as you make an effort.
Yes.
It'll work out.
Facts! Effort.
Alright, guys. So we'll see y'all in the next video. So go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Look at this.
I'm testing the heartbeat.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. The heartbeat. Make sure it's good.
Man, yeah. But yeah, guys, so go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Hit that like button under this video. Comment in the comment section below if y'all... What? Okay. Come... Stop. Y'all see? Comment in the comment section below if you all enjoyed this video and if you all would like for us to keep making some like videos like this. Yeah, and hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video on this channel. And yeah, guys, come a part of the team. And also, like we said at the beginning of the video, ow! Oh my god.
Ouch. Ouch.
So yeah, guys, like we said in the beginning of this video, stop, boy. Like we said in the beginning of this video, let us know some names you all would like for us to call y'all, or if y'all like BB Gang or you know JS for E. Let us know in the comment section below because we want a good, catchy, like cool name to call y'all. You know, call our squad or whatever. So yeah, guys, see y'all in the next video. Peace.